I've come across an issue today where I was unable to download any videos off this website called Pexels, because I use this website for some of my video projects. It contains a bunch of really great quality videos, but this website is known to, for from time to time to go down basically, and even though you can preview the video if you click on it, but when I hit the button free download, it would take me to a new page and it would say the service is temporarily unavailable. But that didn't stop me from getting this video actually, and the way around this is if you right click on the video and click on view page source, now it takes you to this page where you can see the script. Now click on Control F, type in MP4, find the result with MP4, and you can see that within the double quotes there is actually a website. So just select the website here, copy this link and open it in the new window. As you can see now, it takes you to the same video, but right now if you right click on this video, you can actually save video to your computer. If you save it to downloads, open it, as you can see now, this is the same video on my PC. So I was able to download the video even though the service wasn't working. And this should actually be a solution for any website that you're using. So if you have an issue with downloading video projects, just give it a go and see if this helps.